Welcome back to Shafa's Story World. Today I am going to read Nature Trail from book of Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is a popular animated television series created by Neville Astley and Mark Baker. Okay, let's start. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asked Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Please subscribe to Shuffle the Story World for more interesting stories. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hurt and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mommy Pig. We'll have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mummy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? asks Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. Crip. Crip. The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They are eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mommy Pig. But Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? asked Mummy Pig. Quack, quack. Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? The ducks led Peppa and her family back to their car. We are here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, love Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch, munch. Everyone loves picnic, cries Peppa. So there's the end of this story. So if you want to hear this kind of wonderful stories more and more, please subscribe Shuffle the Story World. Thank you.